Hello students, this is me Junaid Mubeen. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I have brought a latest information for you to hold the online exam, online paper. So you just need to go in your browser, exam.net, and enter. After entering, you will be having this interface. This is the student portion and this is the teacher portion. For creating the exam, you need to register yourself, okay, as a teacher. Like, you click on this and this is the first interface. I have already registered, that is why it took me directly to the concerned page. This is the first screen. We need to click the new exam and create the name of exam. I just call it the sample exam. For having the examination, we need to have the paper, we need to upload the paper. No digital exam. This is the first condition. The questions are given outside of the system, example orally or on a piece of paper. You can use a PDF file, and you can use this one, write exam questions. I am using the second one. After using it, we need to select the file from the browser. This is the file. Okay, it will take seconds to be uploaded. Okay, this is the paper. Then we need to go the student information. From the students end, we require their first name, their last name, student ID. We just need to, I think, require these three things. Then from the student workspace, what can a student do in the exam? So of course, writing area, spell check, no spell check. Okay, this is for the exam. Scan handwritten solution with a mobile phone. Yes, it is. If it is student is writing something else on the paper, so they can easily take a photo of that written material and can upload with the help of mobile. Accessibility tools allow translation help. No, since this is English exam, so we cannot allow English synonym. We cannot allow. Add additional PDF document. If you need to require the additional PDF documents, you can. Since this is the in English exam, in some cases we need the listening activity. We also conduct the listening exam. So if this is the case, so you can easily upload the listening file, okay, audio file. Subject to drawing tool, we can allow them. Formula editor, calculator. This is not mathematics exam. For the mathematics exam, you can use the calculator, GeoGebra, mathematics formula if teacher allows. Programming for the exam, okay. So on external resources, we are not allowing them, okay, since this is the exam. Security purpose, require high security mode. This is the default setting. Allow any browser. The exam will open in any browser. Allow any browser, but prefer high security mode. Setting for the lower security mode. This is really important segment here. Security mode, I can just say, do not forget this segment. This is very important segment, okay. So you need to go there and just do the default setting. This is the default setting, not saved by the default setting. So this is from the teacher's end, okay, this setting from the teacher's end, and now you just need to click on this button and then create the paper. The paper is creating right now. Paper has been created. This is the exam name, example exam. This is the exam key. Okay, now you need to open this, okay, open up for new student. Open it, and we will look from the student side in the next coming video. Okay, thanks for watching till the end, and I just want to add this is the request for you. Please like and share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.